There are people making money with machines that fit on a table, and most people don't even know they exist. They are not industrial machines. You don't need a physical location. You don't need experience, just a table, an outlet, and the desire to get started. At first, I didn't believe it either, until I saw what they produce and how much it sells for. And the best part is that many of them cost less than a cell phone, and you can find them today on Amazon or Alibaba without even leaving your house. Today I'm bringing you 14 mini machines that are quietly generating money, and I'm going to explain exactly what you can do with each one. And pay close attention to number 14, because it is the most versatile one on the entire list, and probably the one you would least expect to be a business. When you see everything it can do, you won't believe it. I'm leaving all the machines we'll see today with their links down below in the description, so you can check them out calmly and take a closer look at them. Let's get started. Machine 1. Glass Bottle Cutter. Think about all the wine and beer bottles that get thrown into the trash every single day. Now imagine that each one can be turned into an elegant glass, a lamp, or a candle holder, and that people are willing to pay for it. That is what this first machine is all about. You place the bottle, rotate it against a diamond-coated blade that is cooled with water so that no dust is released and the glass doesn't break, and in seconds you have a clean, straight cut. You don't need the steady hand of an artist. You take it out of the box, add water, plug it in, and that same day, you are cutting. You can find it for around $170 on Amazon. A bottle costs you nothing because any bar will give it to you for free. Turned into a set of glasses or a lamp, it sells for between $15 and $50. To who? Decoration stores, coffee shops that want a handmade detail, and people looking for original gifts at fairs or through Instagram. And here's a tip: record the before and after of the cutting process. That video is hypnotic, it shares itself, and orders come to you without you having to chase them. And we are only on the first one. If you like the idea of making money with small machines from home, subscribe, because what's coming next gets better and better. The next one is the kind that explodes on social media, and you can have it running on your table this very afternoon. Machine 2. Bath Bomb Press. Have you seen those videos where they drop a colorful ball into the bathtub and the water fills with foam and swirling colors? Those are bath bombs, a personal care product that people buy like candy, and almost nobody knows how cheap they are to make. This compact press turns the mixture into perfect, even, and firm bombs, without them falling apart like when you make them by hand. You prepare the mixture, add fragrance and color, lower the press, and that's it. They come out perfectly round and with a professional look. You can get it for around $200 on Amazon, with 4 molds to produce several at the same time. Making one bath bomb costs you just cents. That same bath bomb sells for between $3 and $8, and even more in gift sets. Who buys them? Natural stores, small spas, and people looking for gifts for baby showers or birthdays. You add nice packaging and scents like relaxation or energy, and you're no longer selling a bath bomb. You're selling a spa experience at home. The next one looks so similar to another one that you're going to think I repeated it. But no. Look closely. Machine 3. Button Maker. I already know what you're going to think when you see it. Pablo, that's the same one from before. You already repeated it. I get it, because they look extremely similar. But no, this one makes buttons, those pins that people attach to their backpack, jacket, or cap. It is a manual press with a simple mechanism. You place your printed design, add the metal base and the plastic on top, lower the lever, and out comes a perfect professional button. Anyone can use it with no experience, in seconds per piece. You can find it for around $280 on Amazon, with the full kit to start the very same day. Each button costs you just cents. It sells for between $1 and $3, but the business is not selling them one by one. It's selling them in batches. A band that wants 200 pins for its concert, a cause that hands them out, a school, a team. And pay attention, because fashion pins are making a strong comeback thanks to social media and nostalgia. One single large order, and you have already paid for the machine. Plus, this same machine also makes fridge magnets, so you can sell the same customer the pins for the event, and on top of that, souvenir magnets. That's where you stop selling one thing and start selling complete solutions. The next one is so small that you're going to swear it is something else. But when you see what it does, you'll stop laughing. Machine 4. Precision Ultrasonic Cutter. I already know what you're going to say the moment you see it. Pablo, that's a pen. It looks like one, doesn't it? It's the size of a marker and weighs less than your cell phone. But this little thing is an impressive machine. It is an ultrasonic cutter. The tip vibrates so fast that it goes through materials the way a hot knife cuts through butter, effortlessly and with a clean finish. It cuts 3D prints, acrylic, leather, thin wood, cardboard, and carbon fiber, and it comes with 6 blades for each type of job. It is cordless and rechargeable. You can get it for around $130 on Amazon, and for what it does, it is ridiculously accessible. Why is it a business? because it makes life easier for anyone who manufactures small things and needs perfect finishes. Remember the 3D printer? Whoever prints figures needs to clean up the burrs, and this does it flawlessly in seconds. Same thing for someone who works with leather, builds models, or makes prototypes. You can offer a finishing and detailing service for pieces, or use it as your secret tool if you already make something. Now that we've covered 4, I'm curious. Of the ones we've seen, which one would you start with first? Let me know in the comments, because I love reading which one catches your attention the most. Let's keep going. Machine 5. Tabletop Spice Grinder. I'm going to tell you something that is happening, and very few people are taking advantage of. People are paying more and more for gourmet spices and blends, and it turns out that turning cheap spices into a premium product is one of the easiest things on this list. This grinder is a small beast. 1500 watts, it spins at 28,000 revolutions, and in 30 seconds, it pulverizes pepper, cinnamon, cumin, coffee, grains, dried herbs, whatever you throw into it. It fits on your table, it has a safety lid that shuts off by itself when you open it, and it leaves everything as an ultrafine powder with professional quality. You can find it for around $70 on Amazon, one of the cheapest on the list. Whole spices cost cents per gram. Ground and presented as your own blend, they sell for between $20 and $30 per pound. To who? People in the organic market, cooks, gourmet stores, and through subscriptions to those who want fresh spices every month. The trick is to create your own named blends. One seasoning for meats, one for breakfasts, one spicy blend. That's where you're no longer selling spices, you're selling your brand. The next one is one of the smallest, but the market behind it moves millions. Machine 6. Supplement Capsule Machine. Did you know the supplement business is hotter than ever? Vitamins, collagen, herbal blends, pet supplements. Everyone wants to take care of themselves, and someone has to fill and count those capsules. That's where you come in. This machine counts and doses capsules with perfect precision, up to 30,000 per hour, with no mistakes and no contamination. You prepare the filling, the machine does the exact count for each bottle, and everything looks professional, ready to label and sell. It is the difference between a homemade product and one that looks like it came from a pharmacy. You can get it for around $2,000 on Alibaba. It is not one of the cheap ones, but the market it opens up is huge. The capsules and the powder cost cents. A bottle of 100 capsules sells for between $20 and $40. Who buys? Fitness people, health food stores, pet owners, and subscription customers who replace their bottle every month. And that's where the gold is. Offer specialized blends with your brand and personalized bottles, and you turn a one-time sale into a customer who comes back month after month. The next one looks like the typical boring tool you already know, but this one has a trick that changes everything. Machine 7. Grommet Punching Machine. You've probably seen a grommet punching machine before, the kind used to put metal rings into tarps and banners. But this one is very different from the ones people usually see, and for a reason you're going to love. Most machines force you to place each grommet by hand, one by one, and they fall, tilt sideways, and waste your time. Not this one. It feeds itself. It has the grommets loaded inside and places them automatically, perfectly straight, without a single one falling. It is 3 times faster than manual ones, and it comes with 10,000 grommets to get started. You can find it for around $280 on Amazon. And where is the business? In everything that uses grommets and that people need to repair or manufacture. Tarps, banners, awnings, flags, belts, bags, shoes, curtains. You offer the service to print shops that make banners, advertising workshops, and small leather brands. It is a service nobody wants to do by hand, and that is why they pay someone who does it fast and well. Hey, and now that we're halfway through, let me ask you something from the heart. We are very close to reaching 100,000 subscribers, and that plaque would mean the world to us. It costs you absolutely nothing, just one click on subscribe, and it would make us immensely happy. If this content brings you value, help us get there. And hang on, because number 14, the one I promised you at the beginning, is still waiting, and it is the most versatile one on the entire list. The next one turns something we all throw away into a product that flower shops and stores buy without thinking twice. Machine 8. Decorative Paper Shredder. Have you ever bought a gift and it came with those curled paper strips inside, the ones that make the box look elegant? Or have you seen paper confetti at events? Someone manufactures that. And it is a quiet business that almost nobody has on their radar. This machine takes sheets of paper, even paper you were going to throw away, and cuts it into thin strips, straight or curled, ready to fill gift boxes, make confetti, or decorate. It processes 20 kilos per hour, so you produce a lot in very little time. It is simple to operate and turns extremely cheap material into something that sells by the bag. The paper costs you almost nothing, and many times it is recycled. Bags of decorative filler and confetti are sold to flower shops, gift stores, event and wedding planners, and anyone who puts together beautiful boxes to sell. It is one of those products that people do not make at home but always need, and you supply it to them constantly. You can get it for around $1,780 on Alibaba. The next one smells delicious and produces something people drink every single day without fail. Machine 9. Nut Butter Machine. Have you seen the price of a jar of natural peanut butter? The kind with no sugar and no weird oils? Expensive. Almond butter, even worse. And it turns out that making it yourself costs a fraction of that. This machine is a grinder that crushes nuts until turning them into a creamy, smooth paste. You add peanuts, almonds, hazelnuts, pistachios, even seeds for tahini, and it grinds them extremely fine all by itself. No additives, no preservatives, just pure nuts. It produces between 100 and 200 kilos per hour, so you can produce seriously. You can get it for around $1,100 on Alibaba. Peanuts cost you little per kilo, and a jar of natural butter sells for between $6 and $12. To who? Fitness people, health stores, subscription customers who restock it every month. And the trick to raising the price? Offer flavored versions, dark chocolate, honey and cinnamon, spicy, and package them beautifully in gift sets. That is where the cost barely changes, but the price goes up by itself. The next one smells like heaven and produces something that, for many people, is sacred every morning. Machine 10. Tabletop Coffee Roaster. Let me ask you something. How much do you pay for a bag of specialty coffee? The kind that is freshly roasted, single origin. Quite a bit. Now imagine buying green coffee beans, which cost much less, and roasting them yourself at home. This tabletop roaster does exactly that. You put in the green beans, choose the roast level, and the machine rotates them in a smokeless drum until they reach the exact point. It comes with a purifier, so it does not fill your kitchen with smoke, and modes from beginner to advanced so you can control the flavor. Fresh coffee, roasted by you, which is a luxury few people offer. You can find it for around $470 on Amazon. Green coffee beans are much cheaper than roasted coffee, and a bag of freshly roasted coffee with your brand sells at a premium. To who? Coffee shops that want fresh beans, offices, subscription customers, and through social media, where I roast my own coffee content creates a lot of curiosity. You give your roasts a name, add a beautiful label, and you stop selling coffee so you can start selling your coffee brand. By the way, this is part 3 of this mini machine series. We already have 2 other videos with machines completely different from these, and I'm leaving them up above and in the description along with the links to all the ones we're seeing today. The next one turns common fruit into a product people pay for as if it were liquid gold. Machine 11. Cold Press Juicer. We all know that natural juice is healthier than soda. But there is a huge difference between any regular juice, the kind that costs $6 or $7 for a small cup at health stores, and that difference is made by this machine. The cold press extractor slowly squeezes fruit and vegetables without heating them, which preserves the nutrients and enzymes that normal blenders destroy. You put the fruit in on one side and pure juice comes out on the other, with the pulp separated. It is made of stainless steel, easy to clean, and extracts juice very fast. You can get it for around $280 on Amazon. Fruit costs you little, and a cold-pressed juice sells for between $4 and $8. To who? Gyms, offices, wellness stores, and by setting up your own weekly detox juice subscription service. You present it in nice bottles, with a label, talking about health and energy. And you're no longer selling juice, you're selling bottled wellness. And that is charged at a premium. The next one looks like the simplest one of all, but it supplies a business that never stops. Machine 12. Ice Cube Machine. I already know what you're thinking. Ice, Pablo? Seriously? Yes, seriously. And not just any ice. Clear ice, that crystal clear kind you see in expensive bars, the kind that melts slowly and does not water down the drink. That ice is charged for, and a lot. This machine makes clear, solid cubes in about 20 minutes, using a system that removes the bubbles so they come out crystal clear, like something from a premium bar. It makes more than 20 kilos a day, cleans itself with one button, and is quiet. It fits on your table with no problem. You can find it for around $250 on Amazon. Water costs you almost nothing, but premium ice has steady customers. Cocktail bars, restaurants, cold coffee shops, catering services, and events. They all need good, consistent ice, and many prefer to buy it from someone reliable rather than produce it themselves. You supply it to them by the bag, fresh and crystal clear. It is a boring product, yes, but with eternal demand. The next one turns something people throw in the trash into pure copper that is paid for by the kilo. Machine 13. Copper Cable Granulator. Look around you at how many old cables are lying around. Dead chargers, broken extension cords, cables from devices nobody uses anymore. Most people throw them away, but inside every one of them there is copper. and copper is paid for by the kilo. This machine lets you recover it. The granulator shreds the cable and separates the copper from the plastic automatically, leaving you with clean metal in granules ready to sell. What would be an impossible job by hand, it does by itself. It processes between 50 and 80 kilos per hour. It is the heaviest one on this list, but it still fits in a corner of your garage. You can get it for around $800 on Alibaba. Old cable is given to you, or you can get it for free from workshops, electronic waste centers, and repair shops. You sell the recovered copper to scrap yards and metal recyclers, who pay very well for it because copper keeps getting more and more expensive. It is one of those quiet businesses that nobody brags about, but that turns literal trash into real cash. While others pay for their raw material, yours is given to you for free. And now we have reached the one I promised you from the beginning. Number 14. The most versatile one on this entire list, and the one I bet you never imagined could be a business. Pay very close attention. Machine 14. Desktop Vacuum Forming Machine. I told you at the beginning that number 14 was the most versatile, and here is why. This machine does something that feels like magic. It takes a plastic sheet, heats it, and uses vacuum pressure to mold it over any object to create an exact copy of its shape. It sounds technical, but look at everything that comes out of it. Those clear plastic packages that products come in, it makes them. The molds for making chocolates, soaps, or candles with shapes, it makes them. Trays, blisters, cosplay pieces, cookie molds, organizers, one single machine that manufactures molds and packaging for almost any other business. That is why it is the most versatile. It does not compete with the others, it complements all of them. You can get it for around $800 on Alibaba, and it fits on your desk. The plastic sheet costs cents per mold, and what you produce sells depending on the use. A custom mold for between $5 and $20, custom packaging for another brand, trays by the batch. To who? Bakers who need unique molds, brands that want their own packaging, people who make cosplay, other entrepreneurs from this same list. Remember the bath bombs, the soaps, the chocolates? They all need molds, and you make them for them. That is the magic. You become the supplier for the other businesses. And that is what I want you to take away from this video. You don't need a factory, you don't need thousands of dollars, you don't need experience, a table, a machine, and the desire to start. That is all. You already have the 14 ideas. You already have the idea. Now all that's missing is for you to take the leap. If you made it this far, it's because you truly want to start a business, so subscribe and turn on the bell, because on this channel there are always more ways to make money. And leave me in the comments which one of these 14 was your favorite. If you want to see more, I'm leaving the other 2 parts of this series right here. I'll see you in the next one.